This little section right here normally costs you $19 a month as a Shopify app. I built it myself for free using AI and it matches my store perfectly. No code, no monthly fee. Let me show you exactly how. If you run a Shopify store, you've seen these. There are dozens of apps that add one small section to your theme. Shop the look, lookbooks, image hotspots, and most of them charge you every single month. 10, 15, $20 forever for one section. Now, to be fair, these apps are genuinely good. For a lot of stores, they're worth it. You get support, a dashboard, analytics, regular updates. But for a simple visual section like this one, you usually don't need any of that. So let's just build it ourselves. Here's all you need: your Shopify store and two AI tools: Claude Design to design the section and Claude Code to build it. That's it. And you don't need to know how to code. You just describe what you want in plain English. One important thing before we start: I'm doing all of this locally on my own computer, not on my live published store. So nothing I try here can break what my customers actually see. I'll walk through that whole setup in a separate video. I already built a design system for my store inside Claude Design. My colors, my fonts, my spacing. Using that, I had it design a shop the look section and it gave me two options. Option A is balanced. The image and the text share the frame 50-50 with thin dividers and lots of breathing room. Option B is more image dominant, a bigger photo with a narrower centered story, more editorial, like a magazine. For my store, I'm going with option A. Now I send that design straight over to Claude Code. In Claude Design, I just hit share, then send to Claude Code. It hands me a ready-made prompt. I tweak it a little. I tell it to use option A and to match my existing theme colors, not override them. And that's it. Claude Code writes all the code and builds the section for me. Notice I'm not typing any code myself. I'm just describing what I want. A few seconds later, the section shows up right in my theme. And remember, this is all running locally on my computer. My live store is untouched until I decide it's ready. That's the safe way to do this. Here's the fun part. I add my image and I tag the products in the photo. So when a shopper clicks a tag, they jump straight to that product's page, where they can see the details and add it to their cart. And if I want to change something, I just ask, make the dots a little bigger, match my brand color. Done. That's the whole thing. No code, no developer, no monthly app. So here's the final result: live on the store. It works on desktop and it looks just as good on mobile. Same result you'd get from that $19 a month app, on brand, fully working, and costing me nothing every month. And again, no shade to those apps. If your store needs the analytics and the support, they're worth it. For a simple section like this, you just don't. Now, one honest thing: not everything should be built this way. Anything that stores data or runs in the background is still real app territory. But simple sections like this, easy, and I'll show you plenty more. I'll also walk through the full setup. How to do all of this safely on your own store in an upcoming video. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one where I replace another paid app.